Hello mga best. So, welcome again to my video. Today is about Forever Bride last Saturday's event in a church. This is so fun and learning as well. And we have some workshop about wardrobe to learn your body shape. So, of course, also have a lot of different types of workshop, but we are assigned to this wardrobe. So, syempre meron din kaming mga dinilang mga dresses, wardrobes. So, para they can try and apply what they have learned on our sharing. Bali mga best, yung pinag-aralan namin dito or tinuro is about the body shape para you can dress accordingly. Pero syempre naman, there's no wrong or correct sa fashion. So, it's up to you how you want it to do. At least, you know your shape. Meron kaming before and after ng mga photos. And also, our fun choosing their wardrobe to change for that timing.